Hello guys, it's AppWiz. So how to turn on comments on YouTube on your phone. Now I'm over here in the YouTube app. What you want to do is simply go to library at the bottom. Right then here you can see your videos in the middle. So click me your videos. And here I have one video. So once I click on this, you're going to actually see comments are turned off. So what I actually want to do in order to turn them on for this specific video is click on these three dots. Click on edit. And then over here at the bottom, you can see comments disabled. So here I want to click on allow all comments, which is recommended actually. And then you can just go back, click on save. And now there are actually allowed to be comments here. You can see I can now put a comment in there now. That is basically this is how you can turn on comments on YouTube on your phone. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you out, and then I will see you next time.